Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to deposit from Binance to XM Trading. First, log into your XM Trading account. Go to the deposit section. Choose cryptocurrency as your deposit method. XM will show a list of supported coins. USDT is recommended. Once you select USDT, XM will provide you with a wallet address. Copy this address carefully. You will also see the network required for this deposit. XM usually supports networks like BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain, or ERC20, which is Ethereum. Note which network you need. Next, log into your Binance account. Go to your wallet and select Withdraw. Choose USDT as the coin you want to send. Paste the wallet address you copied from XM into the recipient address field on Binance. It is very important to select the same network in Binance that XM requires. Binance may ask for a confirmation code from your email or phone. Complete these steps to authorize the withdrawal. Once the transaction is submitted, the transfer time depends on the network. After the deposit is complete, check your XM trading account balance to make sure the funds have arrived. Thanks for watching.